They hit him 20 times.
What?
They shot my ass off.
They shot you?
I don't know. Well, I don't know who it was. Hell, I can't recognize them.
Yeah.
They popped me with that fucking pellet gun. Boom, 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 boom. I got little blisters all over. He's shooting me with that fucking gun.
Man, did you guys call the cops?
No. My mom used planting them pliers. They just went out there and rip them up.
Oh, damn.
Damn.
That's my mama's stuff. If you can fuck with me, you're fucking with my mama. That's a different fucking deal.
Yeah, man.
She's 85 years old, man. She's an old lady. Don't fuck with my mama.
What type of BB gun was it?
A little plastic one.
Did that shit hurt?
Well, enough to make little blisters.
Oh, damn.
It was in a little fat plastic one.
That's a badass kiss.
But it still stings.
Hey, I got hey. I got a CO2 BB gun. It takes CO2. You know what that is?
Well,
And it.
I got a real gun. I can drop in the middle of the fucking street with the little kids.
No, I'm saying CO2.
Don't do that.
I know.
you gotta shoot the little
I can hurt kids.
Yeah.
That's the only thing that's gonna stop. Okay.
But gang up. I know where they're at now. See, if I was a real asshole, call the police. I'd go down there.
I'll have like a little war. Next time they come down, shoot their ass with BB guns.
That's what I'm saying. I got a BB gun that you can
Have
use
like
against
two automatic
them.
BB guns, just like that.
But yours was just keep going. Yeah, yours keep going. Yeah, you can get the other one with the battery.
That's really not. That's really not cool.
That's what I'll do. Like if
That's
I
really
was
not cool.
like
I'm a
him,
good
I'll get another one.
neighbor, and I help everybody. That ain't cool. Little turds. I mean, I told them to have fun, but leave me alone. You know, I mean, yeah, you can go out here and have fun, whatever. I don't give a shit. But fuck.
Oh shit.
I've been here 59 years taking care of this place. What are you laughing at?